Good morning, everyone. We are standing in the car park of
Blizzard Beach.
Blizzard Beach, that's right. It's one of Disney's water parks. That's where we're going today, going for a bit of a swim. Obviously I can't take this with me because the camera will get ruined. But I do have my GoPro, and Ebony does have her waterproof camera as well. So we're going to give those a go, see if we can use all three cameras to collaborate on a video. And yeah, just have a bit of fun. But the first thing we have to do before we get in the pool is put what on?
Our swimming costumes.
We've already got our swimming costumes on.
I know.
Put on the... What do you rub into your arms?
Oh yes, sun cream.
Yeah, we need to put some more sun cream on. Because even though there's a bit of cloud about, the sun is threatening to poke its head out as well. It was a short while ago. And God, you don't half feel it when it does come out. So it is a hot day. It's 30 degrees plus. So
it's not as hot like last year.
It's not as hot. It was what, 3 years ago when we came. Yeah. No, it's not quite as hot as 3 years ago, but it's still hot, and we don't want to burn. I burnt myself a little bit in the pool the other day, so yeah, I'm going to learn from that. Going to make sure we're fully covered up. That's right. We've been putting after sun on, haven't we? So. Well, I have.
Right there and on this neck.
You're getting a nice tan, you're not burnt. I burnt on my head and on my shoulders, so yeah. Today, sun cream's the first order of the day, and then fun. So yeah, when we get in and get changed in the lockers, we'll get the GoPro out and see how that goes. The sound's not quite as good on the GoPro, but we'll still give it a go and have fun.
Put sun cream on every hour.
That's right, sun cream on every hour. That's probably the sensible idea, especially if you're in the water. Okay, so we just come through the gates, and you're greeted with Christmas songs straight away, which is fun.
Random. It's not even Christmas yet.
No, it's all to do with the snowy theming, isn't it?
Yeah.
Morning, guys.
The beach house. Morning.
Am I in film?
You are now.
Oh, should we get some trim?
So yeah, we're going to head round here to the lockers. I know a few weeks ago they did have like Kristoff here from Frozen, and you could meet here, yeah, but he's not here today by the looks of things. Well, we're going to head round, get a locker. We're going to put this camera in the locker and get the GoPro out, and yeah, we'll have a good time.
So what do you want to do first?
And there is Summit Plummet, which is, I think we just saw somebody go down it a sec ago. Somebody's getting ready at the top. The view from up there is insane. You can see for miles around. There they go. That's a straight plunge all the way down to the bottom. We can't even see the bottom from here, but yeah. Okay, so a handy hint for you, if ever you're looking for somewhere to sit in Blizzard Beach, is if you come through, take a walk towards the red slope through the cave, where the lazy river goes to the cave. You take a walk through there, heading towards the red slope. Quiet little beaches at the back here, with plenty of seating area, a bit of shade because of the trees, and it's just quiet. Nobody knows it's here. It's really quiet. You can come and get a seat quite easily. There's two of these. There's one here and there's one just back there as well. So yeah, we're on our way to the red slope to do some of the other slides. I just noticed these areas, so I thought it was worth mentioning in case you come into Blizzard Beach. Yeah, quite handy to have these quiet little areas where you could sit and chill, undisturbed. You know, maybe they get busy on busy days. I don't know, but nobody's round at these two little beaches today, so chances are you'll get a seat and nice quiet tranquility. We are looking for the red slope, and that's where we're going right now. This way. Okay, so we're going on the snowstormers. You ready, Ebony? Kind of. You nervous? What for? That'd be good. Right, which lane are you going in? 1, 2 or 3? 1. That'll go in 2. I'll have to go on 3, Ebony, okay? You ready, Ebony? Here we go! Whoa! 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 You okay? Ebony managed it more gracefully than I did. You okay? At least you stayed on your mat. I fell off mine as it came off the water. Good, Ebony? Right.
Should we go again?
Run. Put your mat on. Slide it. Slide, and it drops down, and off it goes. All the way up there. I think somebody's just about to come down the summit plummet. Marius has gone up. Here they come. Wow. Cool. Okay, so we're at the top of Mount Rushmore, and there's Everest, the Animal Kingdom over there. Please, yeah. I haven't got the pass with me. Oh, that's great. There is Tower of Terror and Epcot as well. So there's direction Magic Kingdom is. Go on then, Ebony. Accent on the section. Captain. Oh, big great, yeah. Oh. Whoa! 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 Yeah, we did this last time we came. Another drop. Oh, here we go. Whoa. You want to do it again, do you? It's not bad considering it's straight on. So.
Oh, you got more wetness. Yeah.
Let's see about strings. The strings are Smile. Wave. Okay, so it's as often happens in Florida in August, the heavens have opened, it started raining. And so they temporarily closed all of the water attractions, the pool, the lazy river, all the slides, because of the inclement weather. So yeah, I mean, when we were at the top of Steamboat Springs a few minutes ago, you could see it all over where Animal Kingdom is, and it was all coming this way. So I knew it was coming. It's a shame. Yeah, maybe this is a good place to end the day here at Blizzard Beach. Go and grab some lunch. At Beat O'Brady's, old stomping ground, 3 years ago.
I like the meatballs with cheese.
And yeah, we're going to go and do that, and then we're going to maybe head on over to Epcot, or even Magic Kingdom, I don't know which one yet.
Epcot.
And yeah, have some fun over there. So, right, you had fun at Blizzard Beach?
Yeah.
Until the rain came. Oh, this water's really warm. See, that's the thing in Florida, it's raining, and we're just wearing shorts or swimming costumes. It's not cold. Really warm. It's just put a damper on things as part of the fun. Yeah, it just stops the fun a little bit. But, yeah, we'll get dried off now. Dry as dry as we can. Weather. And then we'll go and have some lunch.
Activity. Once again, Blizzard Beach is still temporarily closed. Your cooperation.
So yeah, so as per that last bit of announcement there, the heavens opened, as you saw on the GoPro footage, and yeah, so we decided to get changed and head out for lunch. I think we're going to go to Beef O'Brady's, old stomping ground from 3 years ago.
I'm going to get meatballs, cheese and pasta.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Either that or chicken, wasn't it? You said if they don't have meatballs, cheese and pasta, you're going to get chicken. Yeah, so we've timed it just right. I mean, the rain's stopped now, which is great, which is why I've got this camera back out. I'm back on the Sony. But yeah, the rain stopped, so I would imagine Blizzard Beach will open for activities again soon. But we thought now was a good time to leave, go and grab some lunch before we head on over to Epcot. But yeah, no, it was a good, fun morning. We had a good time at Blizzard Beach. Sets us up nicely for when we go to Volcano Bay on Friday as well.
It's actually raining a lot as well.
It did rain a lot, didn't it? For a little while. I mean, by the time we got changed, it stopped, hadn't it? So
3 minutes.
I think it was longer than that, darling. I think it probably rained for about 10 or 15 minutes.
It isn't 10 or 15 minutes. It's about 4 or 5.
Okay, well, we'll agree to disagree on this one, but there's the Winter Summerland miniature golf, which I think we got passes for as well. We could do that another day, maybe.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna.
Animal Kingdom! I can't wait for the Avatar ride.
Yes, tomorrow we're gonna go to Animal Kingdom. We do have to queue for about 3 hours to go on that Avatar ride, though.
Why?
That's how popular that ride is. So yeah, we're gonna head on to Beef O'Brady's now, grab some lunch.
So
And then
in the morning ride to them.
we'll try it first thing in the morning. Yep, and then we'll head on over to Epcot. So taking a drive up to Haines City to come and have lunch at Beef O'Brady's, which is this is where we all used to come for dinner sometimes when we were here 3 years ago, because we stayed in the Villa Complex Southern Dunes, which is just across the highway there. So we used to come here. Ebony likes it because it's got a claw machine where you can win.
I love claw machines. You don't know how much I love claw machines.
That's right, and you can win little cuddly toys. You got a couple out of it last time, didn't you?
Well, one person gave me one, and then I got a couple.
Yeah. So we've come here for the chicken wings and a pint of Yingling, and Ebony's hoping there's pasta, or if not, she'll have chicken as well. So yeah, it's just nice to come back to an old stomping ground, and the sun is out and it's gorgeous here. So while Blizzard Beach was closed due to inclement weather, this place right at the moment is very, very, very hot, and I'm going to have to reapply sun cream, I think, shortly. So let's get inside, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Are clear for dispatch.
So where are we?
We're on the little train. I don't know what it's called.
For your safety,
We're on the
remain
tram,
seated with the doors
the car park,
closed, keeping
heading
your hands,
to-
arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving.
That's right, heading to
And
Epcot.
supervise your children.
And we're in
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos,
So yeah, we went to Beef O'Brady's.
pies y piernas adentro,
I didn't film in there. I wish I did,
mientras
actually.
el carro esté en movimiento.
It's changed a bit from 3 years ago.
Niños.
But
Gracias.
the food was absolutely
Please
amazing.
hold on to
There's
pens,
no claw
glasses, or any
machines
loose
as well,
items
and
that
I
could fall
want
from the
a
tram.
load.
Oh yeah, Ebony
If
won a
an
load of
article should
sweets
fall,
and a teddy.
please stay seated until the next stop
It's in the
and
car,
inform the
isn't it?
nearest cast member.
So Ebony was happy with the claw machine.
I want some teeth as well.
I was very happy with the food. The food, and the beer was
We
good.
are heading straight into the
But the
load
food
zone.
there was very tasty, very good. I mean, Beef O'Brady's has never disappointed anyway, but
All right,
the
so
food was
our
really
hours
exceptionally
tonight
good
are
today.
until
So
9 p.m. Again, that is 9
I'd go again.
p.m. tonight.
I'd highly recommend it.
Display,
Beef O'Brady's in Haines
Fireworks
City.
Also at 9 p.m. tonight, which is viewable anywhere from the World Showcase.
and there,
Our last tram of the evening
Is
will be
Spaceship
at
Earth.
10:30. Again,
Just
the last
behind the
tram
tram.
of the night will be happening at 10:30.
and we are back at Epcot. That's right, Epcot. When the monorail passes over. And we are now standing under Spaceship Earth,
Let's go.
which is the first ride we're going to go on. Yeah?
Because I decided.
The giant golf ball, as people call it.
It's not a giant one.
It's a short wait, so we're going to ride this now, I think. Spaceship Earth. I love this ride. It's a bit like the People Mover in Tomorrowland in Magic Kingdom, but it's even slower. It's all about Earth. Space. Yeah. There's lots of smells and everything on this ride. It's great. I mean, you know, a video of it wouldn't do it justice, but yeah, a bit like the Jorvik Viking Centre in York. So yeah,
sliding doors on your time machine.
It's not an exciting ride at all, but I love it. It's old school.
With your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle.
That means I like bike. Right, not flying my bike.
This is Spaceship Earth Control. On behalf of Siemens, welcome aboard.
There we go.
The map in front of you. Please show us where you're from while we input your time travel coordinates.
We are from.
Now locate the monitor overhead to the right. Make sure your face is clearly visible and wait for the flash. Good. Sending photo to the future. All systems are go. Linking you now to your guide.
Like a grand and miraculous spaceship, our plan is to sail through the universe of time. And for a brief moment, we have been among its passengers. But where are we going? And what kind of future will we discover? Surprisingly, the answers lie behind our past. Since the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow.
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with wind power from your home fueling station, you're off. Don't worry about the house. A PDA with remote control can take care of anything you forgot. You'll leave your country home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. You've already planned the trip with your virtual travel agent. Hotels, check. Restaurants, check. Guided tours, check. You'll never get bored on the journey because your car's holographic gaming technology keeps you connected to friends back home. You'll travel quickly and safely to today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this world and into the future.
Wow, we both look happy.
I'm not curious.
End. Or should I say the beginning?
The beginning.
Of your future.
There we are, both waving. That's our future.
I like that.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and make together. See you in the future.
Okay, so we've done Spaceship Earth, and now we're going to do something that I've never done at Epcot before either.
Bye-bye.
We're going to go and do the Cool Club Challenge with the soda, the free soda, because there's one in there that is a challenge for everyone to drink. Okay?
But do you have to drink the most until somebody...
No, you don't drink the most. It's just you get a little cup and you try all the different flavours. But there's one that's a challenge that Justin Scard has showed us, and Josh and Jenna have shown us on their videos. And Adam the Woo and Tim Tracker. So let's go and try it, shall we? In the Coca-Cola Cool Club. Or Club Cool, sorry. Club Cool. And the challenge is called Beverly. Okay? So what you have to do is you're going to try all the different flavours, but then you try Beverly last. Okay? And I'm going to film us both drink Beverly, okay?
Oh, am I going to try all the different flavours?
Oh, yeah, we're both going to try it, okay? It's free. We're both going to do it. Get Dad a cup as well? Right.
There's a Coca-Cola one.
That's right.
I'm going to
ready?
hold it.
Right. Okay, so this one is a Brazilian one. You going to try one?
Yep.
Just give it one push. Here, I'll show you. That's it. Okay. That's not bad.
Quite nice.
Quite nice.
Next is the one from Peru. Known as the taste of Peru. Like liquid bubblegum.
That is like liquid bubblegum. You see, I can't drink it all in one.
Okay. So this one is from Zimbabwe. Oh, look how red that is. Very red.
That's strawberry.
No, sparberry.
I can't even drink all of these drinks.
Nice, that Zimbabwe one is nice.
I don't need a lot.
Come on this time.
Next one is Bebo. Kiwi and mango flavored. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice.
I'm not going to drink all of these, so I'm going to skip onto this one.
You're going to skip onto the melon frosty, yeah?
Yeah. Which one? Oh my god! Go on to the melon frosty.
I'm going to try the Japan one first. I'm starting to get brain freeze. Oh.
I'm starting to get titty freeze. You want to try that one? So good.
Apricot and passion fruit. Non-carbonated, it's not fizzy. Okay. Melon frosty is the one that I'm looking forward to trying. This one is Justin Scar's favourite.
It's so good. It's my favourite.
It's your favourite as well, yeah? Oh no, that is good. That Thailand melon frosty is good.
You're not trying.
You try this one?
Okay.
How much can you do this one? I can't.
Pineapple Fanta. From Greece. Right.
Moving on.
You gonna do it? Right, wait, don't drink it yet until Dad's ready, got some as well, okay? Right, just move your cup out and get ready. Don't drink it yet. Right, come over here. Come with me. We're going to do Beverly. We're going to give Beverly a go. Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Right. This is Beverly, which we've heard so much about. Cheers.
I know. Cheers.
Go.
Not my favourite.
It's not as bad as people were making out. I've had better. Yeah. Oh. It's beating you. You're not a fan?
I'm not a fan.
It doesn't make me retch the way it makes Justin Scard retch, but you know.
It tastes like
So,
liquid.
can you finish it off?
No.
No? So Ebony's failed on the Beverly challenge, but I can. Yeah, it's not the best, but it's not as bad as I was expecting either. And yeah, Ebony only had one mouthful, and she's done. Oh, at least you did. At least you tried it. At least you tried it. So you now tried Beverly. Go on then. Let's go. Now we are going to have a cool day. Okay, so we are now by the Imagination Pavilion because we've just been on the Journey to Imagination ride, which I used to love as a kid. They've changed it since then. I mean, they changed it maybe a good 10 years ago or more. I can't remember when they changed it. It's not as good as it used to be. A lot of old school Disney fans will clamour for the old version of Imagination because it was far superior. But you know, it's still entertaining. Now these bits here, I love these. Watching the water jump around. I used to stand and watch these quite happily for ages when I was a kid. We'll get one. Oh, there we go. It jumps. It just jumped from hoop to hoop, as Ebony's saying. It jumps from hoop to hoop, and sometimes it jumps over the pathway as well. We'll see if this one does it in a second. There we go. It's going to do it any second now. There we go. Oh. Yeah, I enjoy this. And then if we head down here, you've got the old Imagination backwards waterfall, which looks like fountains from here. The Spaceship Earth illuminated in purple, which is quite nice. And here is the backwards waterfall, as they call it. It's all illuminated because it's night time now, it's 8 o'clock. So a short while ago we rode Mission to Mars as well, didn't we? What do you think of that?
That was absolutely awesome.
Absolutely awesome. You like that one, did you? You felt the G-force as it...
I got dizzy at some point, but then it stopped.
Well, that's right. Yeah, you feel the G-force as it pulls you back into the room. It pulls you back into your chair, sorry. As it spins, don't you?
Yeah.
Really, really good fun.
You can't get your head off like that.
That's right.
It's like that stuff. Like you're super glued.
That's right. I think now we're going to head on over to Test Track and see what the queue is like on that. It was 205 minutes before. 205 minutes. That's 3 1/4 hours. No, 3 hours and 25 minutes. Sorry. So yeah, we're going to. When we came out of Mission to Mars, it had changed to 120 minutes, so 2 hours. Still too long to queue for. So we're gonna take a walk back over there now, see if it's any better. I'd imagine, I mean, Future World used to close an hour or two before World Showcase did for Illuminations, but now they keep it open later, so the queue might still be bad, but hopefully most people have headed into World Showcase by now, so hopefully the queue will have gone right down. So we're going to go and see if we can get on Test Track this evening. If not, we'll come back and do it again another day. So we made it across the Test Track. But the wait time is 150 minutes. So, suffice to say, we won't be going on that tonight. We'll go and see what else we can get on instead. So we're going to take a walk. Maybe head to World Showcase. So what ride are we queuing for?
Frozen.
Frozen, yep. Frozen Ever After. Yeah?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
Because neither of us have been on this ride. The last time we came, it was called Maelstrom, or something like that. It was a Norway ride. And then no, it's called Maelstrom, and now it's Frozen Ever After instead, which we've not seen since we last came. So you excited?
I'm excited. It's a new ride.
You excited? What?
It's a new ride.
It's a new ride. That's right. Yeah. Queue now for over half an hour. I think this might be the first ride where the queue is actually longer than the wait time says. Because all the other rides so far, we've waited less, haven't we? No, we queued for less than what the wait time says. Whereas this ride said 45 up to 55 minutes. And we've been about 35 minutes so far, and we've still got all of that section around there. There's still to go. After we've been through Oaken's Tokens. I get the feeling this is going to be at least an hour, so longer than the 45-55 minutes they said outside. Okay, so we finally got on the ride and it took 50 minutes. So
another 10, it would be an hour.
That's it. It was as it said though.
Just call it light, just for the first time.
Good? Yeah?
Welcome back! Remain seated.
Welcome back!
Eat stuff at the top.
So we got off the Frozen ride and illuminations had already finished. That's how long the queue was for Frozen, trying to get on that ride. So, bring myself back into focus there.
My feet are yours, that I can sit right now.
Yeah, Ebony's feet are exhausted, or yorsted as she says. Exhausted. and Test Track's still running. Some of the rides are still running until 11 o'clock, but you've got to be staying at the Disney Resort to enjoy that benefit tonight, which we are not. So we're going to make a move, maybe grab some food on the way back to the hotel. But we're up early tomorrow for Animal Kingdom, so we'll upload a video of that. And we're going to come back here to do the things that we didn't get to do tonight, like Test Track, Soaring, and all of the World Showcase, because all we've done tonight is head into the Norway Pavilion to do the Frozen ride, which was good.
It took about 50 minutes.
It did take about 50 minutes for the queue. I'm not sure the ride is worth that queue. You know, it was a crazy queue for a ride that's over in 3 or 4 minutes. But you know, at least we've done it now. Personally,
It's only short as well.
it is only short. That's right. Personally, I think I prefer the Maelstrom ride than the Frozen ride. I think Maelstrom was better, but
The other ride was 500 minutes.
and Ebony would have preferred to have gone on Test Track, but it wasn't quite 500 minutes. It was 205 minutes. But Ebony would have preferred to have done that. I would have preferred to have done that. Test Track is a far superior ride as well. But we'll do that next time we come back to Epcot. So
I expect that ride will be faster as well.
yes, it is much faster. So, God, you probably can't even see me at the moment, but with that said and done, we're going to wrap this up now. So thanks for dropping in and watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow with Animal Kingdom. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye 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 bye.